the transaction coordinator with Team New Vision and Remax Titanium. How I got started with the company. So like around 2 years ago, I graduated from my school. I was living in Orange County, basically in Santa Ana, and I finished my school in Anaheim. And I've been looking for opportunity and a job to get some professional experience. While I was in school, I used to work in beauty school as a clerk, which means have students to enroll in a course and stuff like that. So when I moved to Los Angeles after I got married, I looked through the Craigslist and I found Rudy ad. And to my surprise, I have actually applied for a few jobs. Yeah, and I got some offer, but it seemed not a match for me. Just one night, I just submit my application to Rudy. So once I submit my application to Rudy one night, and then in the morning he just called me up, hey, can you come up for the interview? And I feel, oh, that's too urgent, so I just rearranged with him. So I met him around, I think Tuesday, which is after the sales meeting. There's a lot of people coming to the meeting. So this is exactly where I see the first time I met Rudy. So at that time I met Wendy and Rudy, and they do some short interview, and he just walked me around the office, showed me how what I should expect. I was employed as the office assistant, so I actually start from the bottom up. I have to do all kind of stuff. My main job is to answering the phone, do open house flyer, and all stuff that related to the office assistant. So through that, gradually I'm helping the TC team, like help them to upload some document to SkySlope and fill out some application and stuff like that. And because the team was growing so fast, in like 1 or 2 months I start picking up and working as a TC. But of course with the assistance of Anna and Katerina, they guide me through, and we have built like a really strong friendship, and the team keep growing. I think one thing that I really love about this company is the education. Rudy and Vanny, they are really encouraging us to open to education. Whatever I need, anything that I need that can improve my skill, they are very open. They really generous. They say just go for it, learn, and the team is very. It is like a big puzzle. Everyone has an input into this company. Everyone has their own role, their own input, and I was glad that I was positioned as a transaction coordinator. But within 2 years, 1 or 2 years, I have learned so many things that I have never experienced before. Because each transaction is all different, and you have to deal with a different agent. They have different way to handle the situation, different way to handle each transaction. And as a transaction coordinator, I have to adapt myself to a different side of working. And some of the agents are so kind. We build friendship, and they take care of us and we take care of them. One thing that I feel so profound in this company is their core value. So I have learned the core value of self-employment mentality. Even though I'm a TC, it seems like I'm own a department, a small business for myself. But Rudy always trains us to offer good service, as if we are the business owner, and he always accept our input and also encourage us to share good idea. We never like, for some company it's very you are not open to offer any input or sharing any good ideas. But with this company, Rudy and Vanny and the whole team, they encourage people to grow and input your own ideas so that we can improve as a team. So thank you so much, Rudy and Vanny, for the opportunity to be part of this team. I have always been proud and so blessed to be part of this team. And one lesson that I have learned from you and Vanny is that undeniable, you both are very hardworking couple, and you both deserve what you have achieved. And we are, myself and as a team member, we got inspired, and we will keep do our best to help the team grow. Thank you so much.